Hi guys, this is my video tutorial of how you should record your own blog site presentation. So what I really want you to do is to download the Screen-o-matic. It's like a double folded thing, so you can record yourself meanwhile showing what you have on your computer. That will be really great to see what you could work out on that one. Just to show you one, I found one of the old students' blog sites here, saying traveling to Bridgetown, Barbados, and if it had been me, I would present why I did the blog, what my name was, uh, my reasons for doing this. So you have to like kind of construct things differently. So you have to make your presentations from this page. So you can start by saying what your name is and why you actually did this blog, where you were traveling to, and what you've been writing about, but make sure that you go into details with it, right? So I would say that I did this traveling blog about Barbados because it was one of the only places that I had ever traveled to, and I really love traveling. So wanted to make sure everyone knows what it is to travel there. Um, because I'm blah blah blah, you know. So go forward and back and just describe it. It's your text, so you know what you've been writing. Make sure that you make things explicit and that you get to say as much as possible. You have to be aware that once you actually once you do record your presentation, it can only last for maximum of 15 minutes, and I don't reckon it will be that long. But it's also important to make sure that you know if there is audio, if there is any sound on it. So make sure that you don't record for 15 minutes and then find out that there is no sound to it. So make sure that you have that one too. If you do want to skip at some point, you can pause the video and then you can start up again, okay? I will try to do that now so you can see how it looks once you do it. So what I actually managed to do when pausing it was I wanted to move on to the next slide where I could describe going to Bridgetown. And if you can see, you can still scroll on the page even though I am recording myself here on the webcam, and you can also see the blog meanwhile. Okay, so make sure that you can do both. It should be pretty far easy. Once you've finished, go pause it. Okay, I'm really sorry, but my phone just rang. Once you're finished, press the pause button, and then you need to press there's a button it's called done, I think, and then you should save it and you should upload it to our Teams folder. We will take a look at that once we meet online at some point. I will hurry up and do this so you know how to do it yourself. I will have a link for you for the program that can cast your screen, and this introduction or video tutorial, which is far from perfect, but hopefully you know what you have to do from here. I will do that now. See you. Bye.